Hi friends, it's Garima again. Today I will show you a magic birthday card. Notice how the cute teddy bear changes gestures when you pull the tag out. As usual, you can find links to all the materials in the description below. Seems fun? So let's start. I will cut 5 long strips from a white cardstock paper and mark each one as shown. Then I will cut the shaded area on 4 of them. Notice that the first strip is fully intact. Let me cut the extra portion on the strips. I will then lay the strips on a blue cardstock paper such that they overlap one another. I will fix the strips in place by applying transparent tape on both the sides. I will then cut 5 small strips and mark them as shown. I now need a last strip which will serve as the pull-up tag. I need to paste the small strips on it, so I will mark the position on these strips and paste them. We need to paste just one of the sides, so I will apply glue accordingly. Let me now peel off the tape on one side and insert this structure as shown. I will cut the portion on which tape was applied earlier. Let me now paste this side on the blue paper underneath using double-sided tape. The overlapping portions of the strips will be pasted using glue. I will repeat the same procedure with the other side as well. Let me now cut the blue paper out and paste a pink pattern paper in the shape of a window. I will paste thin silver strips on the border of the window. Let me round the corners using corner cutter. Let me pull up the tag now and draw a cute teddy bear with its hands open. Then I will push the tag down and draw another teddy bear with its hands in hugging posture. I will color both of them using a combination of Copic and Sharpie markers. Copic markers are brilliant for light shades and Sharpie markers are best for bright shades. So I have used Copic for the background and Sharpie for the teddy. I will decorate the pull-up tag using pink and red distress inks. The card front is complete at this point, but I want to decorate it further. So I will find some lovely designs from my stamp collection and create cutouts from them. You can also draw them by hand. I will then use other stamps and markers to create a Make-A-Wish tag. Again, this can be done by hand too. To see how beautiful these stamps and distress inks can make your card, take a look at the linked video above. I absolutely love them. I will punch a hole in the pull-up tag and paste Make-A-Wish below it. Let me paste the other cutouts using double-sided tape. Then, using a text die, I will cut a few pieces of the word joyful and stack them together to increase the text thickness. I will color and paste it. The thick text gives a 3D look to the card. Let me paste some colorful stickers and apply glossy accent to make the object shine. Now, I need to make the base of the card. So, I will cut a white cardstock paper into appropriate shape and paste pink pattern paper on the inside. On the front, I will apply thick double-sided tape and paste our entire design. Let me also paste a pre-made design inside the card on which you can write text. And our magic card is ready. Go and amaze your loved ones with this lovely design. And you can change the drawing on the front to suit any occasion, not just birthday. So, who are you going to make this card for? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Press the bell icon to get notified of new videos immediately. Happy memo crafting!